If you've been waiting to run Facebook ads because you don't have a laptop, stop waiting. Your smartphone is powerful enough to set up, launch, and manage a complete Facebook ads campaign in 2026. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, using nothing but a phone, no laptop, no desktop, no excuses. I'm sure your first question is, can you really run professional ads on a phone? Now, before we get into the tutorial, let me answer the question I see in my comments all the time. Someone literally asked me last week, can I run ads on a tablet? Hope my page won't be blocked. The answer is yes and no, your page will not be blocked for using a phone or tablet. Matter of fact, Meta does not care what device you use. The account is the same, the campaigns are the same, the results, they're also the same. What does matter is that you know which tool to use on mobile, because there are actually two ways to access the Ads Manager on your phone, and they are not equal. So let's look at option 1, the Meta Ads Manager app. This is Meta's dedicated mobile app for managing ads. It is available on Android and iOS. It's free and it's great for monitoring campaigns. It's great for checking results, for turning ads on and off, and making quick edits. But, and this is important, the app has limitations. You cannot set up a Facebook pixel through the app. And also, some advanced targeting options are hidden, and certain billing setups work better on a browser. Option 2 is the mobile browser desktop view. Now, this is the full Ads Manager, accessed through Chrome or any browser on your phone, but with desktop view turned on. This gives you 100% of the features you would have on a laptop. Every setting, every option, every button, same as a computer, just on a smaller screen. Now, here is my rule. Use the Meta Ads Manager app for monitoring and for quick edits. Then you use the desktop view on your browser for setup and advanced configuration. I'm going to show you both, but we're going to start with setup. And that means we're going to start in the browser. So first of all, let's talk about how do you switch to desktop view on your mobile phone. Please pay attention to my screen. All you have to do is to open Chrome on your phone. Then go to ads.facebook.com or business.facebook.com. Now, here is the step that most people miss. By default, your phone is going to load the mobile version of the site. This is stripped down and incomplete. You don't want this. You want to get the full desktop version. So tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome, scroll down and tick desktop site or request desktop view. The page will reload and it will look smaller. That's fine. You can pinch and zoom in. Now, you have access to the full Ads Manager. Everything you can do on a laptop, you can do it on this screen. So make sure to bookmark this page so that every time you want to create or set up a campaign, this is where you come to. So let's talk about setting up your ad account on your mobile. If you haven't set up your Meta business account yet, here is how to do it on your mobile phone. Now, go to business.facebook.com, like I mentioned earlier. Ensure that you're using the desktop view. And then if you get to the home page, you can click on create. You will be asked to log into your personal Facebook account. Now, this is normal. Meta business accounts are usually connected to a personal profile. This doesn't mean that your profile or your personal account will become public. It only just means that this is how Meta is going to verify your identity. So all you have to do there is to enter your business name, and your business email, and then you tap on submit. This is if you have not created a business manager account. Once you're done this, you are now inside the Meta business suite. From here, you can just tap on the grid icon, the menu, and go to the Ads Manager. Straight on. This is your campaign command center. Now, if you already have an ad account, it will appear at the Ads Manager point. But if you are starting fresh, please tap on create ad account, give it a name, choose Nigerian Naira as your currency, and you can set your time zone to Africa, Lagos. This currency settings matters because once you have set it to Naira, your billing will be in Naira, which means you can fund your account with local Nigerian payment methods. I'm going to cover that in a moment. Just tap confirm and then your ad account is ready. This section I'm about to go into is specifically for Nigerian advertisers. And I know this is one of the biggest pain points I see in my comments. How do you actually fund your ad account in Nigeria without a dollar card? Here is the step-by-step method in the Ads Manager. In the Ads Manager, tap the menu icon and go to billing and payment method. Tap on add payment method. You'll see several options. The ones that work best in Nigeria right now are option 1, which is Naira debit card, which is usually using a local Nigerian bank. Most Nigerian banks now issue Naira MasterCards that work with Meta. GT Bank, Access Bank, Zenith, First Bank, these all work for most people. Tap on credit or debit card, enter your 16-digit card number, expiry date, and CVC code. Meta will charge a small verification amount, usually 100 Naira, which is refunded. This is just for them to confirm that your card is active. Now, if your card gets declined, the issue is usually that your bank has blocked international online transactions by default. So you can go into your bank app, find your card management or card controls, and then enable international transactions or web purchases. Option 2, which is my personal favorite, is called the prepaid method. If your card keeps failing, but some Nigerian advertisers fund their account by purchasing Meta ad credits through a third-party reseller. Now, these are legitimate businesses that sell Meta ad credit vouchers. So you pay in Naira, they give you a code, you enter it in your billing. This is particularly useful if you're managing ads for a client who doesn't want to link their personal card. One important thing to note is that you have to set your account to manual payment rather than automatic payment if you want full control over how much you spend. With manual payment, you load a specific amount and spend only what you have deposited, right? No surprises. Now, let's build an actual campaign. Now, still in your desktop view on your browser, in the Ads Manager, tap the green button that has the create on it, right? Step 1, choose your objective. In 2026, Meta has simplified objectives to about 6 categories. For most Nigerian business, you'll be choosing one of these, either leads if you are a service business or a coach or a consultant or real estate, or you'll be choosing sales if you are someone who is selling products, a product business, or e-commerce or online shops. Or you could also select awareness for brands that are building visibility. Tap your objective and then tap on continue. Step 2, name your campaign. Give it a clear name. I recommend a format like business name, then hyphen objective, hyphen month or year. For example, BizLeads, May 2026. This keeps your account organized as you scale. Step 3, set your budget at the campaign level. You can decide to use campaign budget optimization or ad set budget optimization. But the campaign budget optimization distributes your budget across all your ad sets automatically. Usually, this is great for beginners. You can start with at least 3,000 to 5,000 Naira per day. Below this, the algorithm doesn't have enough data to optimize properly, and the learning phase is going to keep dragging on. So tap on next. Step 4, define your audience at the ad set level. Here is where 2026 is different from what older tutorials show you. Meta now has a feature called the Advantage Plus targeting, right? And what that does is that it's a plain text box where you type the description of your audience in plain English. For example, small business owners in Lagos and Abuja between 28 and 45 years old interested in growing their business online. That's it. Meta's AI is going to read your description and build the audience for you. No stacking interest categories, no manual demographic filters. You can still use the manual targeting if you prefer that because it's still available. But the AI description method is getting strong results right now, especially for Nigerian market accounts. Please ensure that you already have this. If you don't have this, you can still use the old method. Now, set your location to Nigeria, or you can be specific with the cities that you want if your business is a local one. Now, set your daily budget. If you're using ad set budget, set your daily budget and then tap next. Step 5, create your ad. Select your Facebook page, choose your ad format. For most businesses, either a single image or a video works best. Now, upload your creative directly from your phone gallery. You must have already recorded that. Now, we'll talk about how to make that creative in a moment. But write your primary text, which is the main copy that appears above your ad. Write your headline, add your call to action button, either learn more, send message, book now, depending on what you want people to do. And then you can tap publish. Your ad will go into review, and Meta usually reviews your ad within 24 hours. You get a notification on your phone when it is approved and running. Now, let's talk about creating your ad creative on your phone. You see, a phone is actually one of the best tools for creating ads that perform well on Meta in 2026. Yes, and here is why. 90% of Meta's total ad inventory is now vertical format. So stories, reels, mobile feeds, they are all vertical. And tell me, what device shoots vertical content natively? Your phone. For static image ads, use Canva Mobile. Just open Canva on your phone, search for Facebook ad in the template search, Choose a template, swap out the text, images for your product or service details, and then download it as a JPG or PNG. The dimensions you want are 1080 by 1080 for feed or 1080 by 1920 for reels or stories. Keep your text minimal on the image itself. Meta's algorithm deprioritizes ad creatives with heavy text overlays. So let the copy in your advert do the talking. For video ads, you can use CapCut Mobile. Shoot a quick 15 to 30-second video of yourself talking about your product, a testimonial, a product demo, or a before and after. CapCut usually allows you to add captions automatically. It allows you to trim, to add text overlays, and also to export in the correct resolution. So turn on captions because most people on Facebook watch videos with sound off. So if there are no captions, most likely they will scroll past. You can then export your video and go straight back into the Ads Manager to upload it. Now, this whole creative process from idea to uploaded ad can be done in under 30 minutes on your phone. Another thing you can do is that you can use an existing post that is already on your page, which is also very simple to do. Now, let's talk about using the Meta Ads Manager app for monitoring. You see, once your campaign is already running, you need to download the Meta Ads Manager app from Play Store or from your App Store. This app is your daily monitoring tool. You don't need desktop view for this. Inside the app, you can see how many people your ad has reached. You can also check your cost per result, your cost per lead, your cost per click. You can pause or activate any campaign or any individual ads. You could also get notified when your ad gets approved or rejected. You could also even see if you are in the learning phase and how many results you need to exit the learning phase. These are the things I check every morning in under 60 seconds. 1. Is my ad spending? If budget is 0, something is wrong. 2. What is my cost per result today versus yesterday? Is it going up or is it coming down? 3. Are there any account notifications or policy warnings? That should be your daily mobile ad management routine. Simple, consistent, effective. If you've watched thus far, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. I see a lot of you watching our videos, but you're yet to subscribe. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Let's talk about 3 quick fixes for the most common mobile issues. The first problem is that your ad keeps getting rejected. Most rejections in Nigeria are related to the ad copy or the image making claims. Meta will flag weight loss, income promises, or misleading before and after images. So make sure to read the rejection reason in your notification. Edit the specific element they're complaining about and you can resubmit. Let's look at another problem. Your page says, I need a desktop to do this. Just switch to desktop view in Chrome. I already showed you how to do this at the start. 3 dots and then you tick desktop site. Another problem is my payment keeps failing. Go into your banking app and enable international web transactions on your debit card. If it still fails, you can try a different Nigerian bank card or use the prepaid voucher method that I have described earlier. All right, now you have everything you need to run professional Facebook ads from your phone. No laptop required, no expensive equipment, just your smartphone, a Canva account, and the Meta Ads Manager app, or even with CapCut. If this video helped you, subscribe to this YouTube channel once again. I usually will post 2 practical Meta Ads videos every week, built specifically for the Nigerian market. I have a full Meta Ads course that is called the Meta Ads Playbook. Link is in the description. If you want to go from beginner to confident advertiser with a complete structured program, the link is in my description. Drop a comment below and tell me, are you running ads on your phone or tablet, or do you trust your laptop more? What exactly is the biggest challenge that you hit? And make sure to read all of my comments and I reply every single one of them. I'll see you guys in the next video.